Hello everyone. Today we're gonna cover the basics of simple linear regression. In simple linear regression, we predict the value of one variable y based on another variable x. X is called the independent variable and y is called the dependent variable. So why do we call it simple? We call it simple because it examines the relationship between two variables only. And why do we call it linear? We call it linear because when the independent variable increases or decreases, the dependent variable increases or decreases in a linear fashion. Let's take a look at a practical example. Let's assume we run an ice cream business and we want to establish a relationship between the outside air temperature and the total daily revenue. As an owner of the business, we want to predict how much would you earn on a given day. So to do this, you went out and you collected temperature data versus revenue data as shown in this table. Let's plot this data. As you guys can see, as temperature goes up, revenue goes up as well. So our goal now is to obtain a relationship, which is simply a mathematical model between the outside air temperature and ice cream sales or revenue. Simply, I need to fit a straight line that could best represent these data points. If you recall from basic mathematics that a straight line can be represented using this equation, y equals to m times x plus b, where m represents the slope of the line and b represent the y-intercept. Once the coefficients m and b are determined, that's it. You have obtained a simple linear regression model. This trained model can be later used to predict any revenue in dollars value based on the outside air temperature. So now, on a given new day, maybe tomorrow, I can go out there, measure the new temperature, and predict the revenue using this line. So the question is, how do we obtain the M and B parameter? Actually, this is a topic for another video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you like this video. See you in the next video.